Hi everybody, my name is Rachel and in my last year Hi everybody, my name is Rachel Kowalenko and it's nice to meet everybody. I am currently doing my field internship with people living with AIDS and HIV. I work in two locations. The first location is in an infectious disease clinic at Hackensack Medical Center. It's an outpatient setting funded by the Ryan White Grant. So we provide medication and medical care and supportive counseling for people without insurance. The other aspect of my internship is working through New Jersey Buddies doing a mindfulness group, and we do that on Tuesday nights. Um, what prompted me to take medical social work as an elective is myself, like some other people. I watched your videos. I am a care coordinator, medical social worker. I've been working at Hackensack Medical Center since 2000 doing discharge planning. So, we do assessments and discharge plannings and make sure people's biopsychosocial issues don't interfere with a discharge plan. We do safe discharge planning from adults and pediatrics. Everything that you may need to be discharged is we take care of. What am I hoping to take away from my involvement in this class is I really am interested in seeing how to compare and contrast what the educational idea of medical social work is versus the reality of what medical social work is. I'm really interested in doing this job to the best of my abilities and understanding the theories and the application of those theories to better serve the patients that I come in contact with. I think will help me perform this job much better. And this whole program has made me a better social worker, a better clinician, and made me a lot more confident. And this class is my last class of the program. And just like I said, I'm super interested in seeing how what we learn is the same or different to what we're actually doing here at Hackensack Meridian. So again, it's nice to meet everybody and good luck and with the class and take good care. Bye bye.